Good morning, everyone. Again, I am here with the continuation of lesson number 1: What, Where, How, and When. In the previous video and PPT presentation, we have studied about the development of agriculture on the bank of river Indus and its tributaries. Hence, this is the wonderful example which shows that people prefer to settle near the river bodies. Around 4700 years ago, many cities developed on river Indus and its tributaries. As you all know about the Indus Valley civilization, or you are going to read the civilization in detail in class 6th only. Similarly, around 2500 years ago, many cities were developed on the bank of river Ganga and its tributaries, and the famous city was Magad. Magad is famous for its large kingdom. There were several other reasons that make Magad a very popular city. The reasons are nearness to the forest, surrounded by mountains, availability of minerals, and so on. History also tells us that people travel from one place to another in search of livelihood. And these people do not travel alone. They used to travel in groups in the form of armies or caravans. When they used to move in the form of armies, they used to conquer the other land. And when they move in caravans, they used to carry the animals like cattle, sheep, goats. So, and they used to do trade with these animals, and these groups also helpful to these people to provide security to them. So that is why they used to move in groups. Another reason is that they were quite adventurous. The high spirit of adventure make them to move from one place to another, as well as to exchange the ideas among each other. Now the question arises, why do people travel nowadays? As we all know that traveling is not easy. During traveling, people had to face various challenges, like they has to cross the sea, they had to scale the mountains, and despite so many challenges, they prefer to move from one place to another. But still, people prefer to move. There is one more reason, that is for the exchange of ideas. So that is why people used to travel from one place to another for the exchange of ideas, as well as for the purpose of adventure and to learn different activities like music, craft, carving stones, etc. The one of the best example is India. As if we find that in India there are various art and crafts, languages, cultures, customs, because people from different frontiers came and settled in India, and they exchange their customs and traditions among each other. Now the question arises that our country has been called by two names, that is India and Bharat. The word India is taken from river Indus, called Sindhu in Sanskrit, and the Greeks and the Iranians gave the term Indos or Hindos to India, as the land to the east river is called India. India is also known as Bharat because the people live in northwest, or the group of people who lived in northwest who are mentioned in Rigved. This is all for today, and the remaining topic I am going to teach you in the next video. So kindly listen it carefully and do make proper notes and solve the assignment accordingly. Waiting for the next session. Thank you so much for watching.